Okay, say let us try to write the numbers like this. I mean, we are going to take theoretically the numbers of course 10,000 is not written. I mean, this is not the way Rajesh should have written, but I am just maintaining this 4-digit code. It's not 4-digit number 0001299. I could have written 10,000, but that's the only 5-digit number written. It's not containing 7. Obviously 10,000 is not containing digit 7. Clear? Okay, so the idea is there are 4 digits, units place digit, tens place, hundreds place, and so let us try to collect in units place 7, that is one round, tens place another round, hundreds place another round, thousands place, that's what is scanner technique. So you are going to scan this lot we are going to scan and collect what? Only the sevens. If you are collecting the units place, you are not going to concentrate on the tens place. Are you able to understand? Suppose you may get some number like say 2377. If you are going to concentrate on units collection, you will not collect this, because this will be collected when you come for another round that you are going to collect the digit in the tens place, right? Okay, so I am going to concentrate on the units. So if I am going to write all sevens, right? Are you able to understand? So I mean, I am going to collect how many sevens means how many numbers we are going to write. So we are definitely going to have a 0007, 0017, 0027, finally you will be getting 997. So how many sevens will be collected? 1000. So 1000 sevens in what? Units place. Clear? And this 0 what we have inserted here, obviously it's not going to contain 7. If the question is about digit 0, then these zeros are newly inserted, but these zeros are not written by Rajesh. Therefore, because it is 7, we can do this 0 idea, right? Okay. Now if you are going to and this time our 7 is going to be in what place? Tens place. Are you able to understand? How many such numbers? The idea is very simple. You can imagine 7 like an object. 7 is like a pen, right? So don't think of the full number. 7 is like a pen. And what are you writing? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2 up to. So similarly, you can forget this 7 and just write like this. Again it is roll. The other 3 are going to roll from 0, 0, 0 to what? And only while reading you will be reading it as 70, 71 and done. So don't think that as 70, 71, 72. Except 7 it is 0, 0, 0. 70. Except 7 it is 0, 0, 1. Except 7 it is 99. It's actually 9,979. But so therefore again you are going to get how much? 1000. What is this 1000? 1000 digits, digit sevens in the tens place. What about the now in the same? So I am going to take sevens here and write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 up to 999. Are you able to understand? Then what about the 7 when it goes to the last place value? Another 1000 you will be getting. So 1000 sevens in the units, 1000 sevens in the tens, 1000 sevens in the hundreds, and 1000 sevens in the thousands place. So totally how many sevens you will be collecting? 4000. Is it simple or not? And you understood the power of this scanner technique. Suppose if you are going to have a number like this, this 7 will be collected when you are concentrating on the units. This 7 will be collected when you are concentrating on the what? Hundreds. This 7 will be collected, so that you are not going to miss it. The same number will be scanned 3 times. But that is easy because it's balanced. You understand the balance. If you are looking at a number value, then it's not balanced. If you are going to look at, there is a 7 and it's written 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 up to 999. So you are not going to miss any 7. All of you understood or not? Is it clear? Suppose the problem is changed. Instead of 7, if I change it to 4, what do you think? Will the count be different? No, it's the approach is same, except we don't write 7s here, we are going to write 4s. Understood? So how many 4s would have been written? 4000. How many 6? 4000. So any non-zero digit, but if I ask 0, then this is not going, this idea will not work. Why? These zeros are not significant zeros, we should not, I will be actually counting that also. Therefore, how do you find for 0? The idea is, you know how to find, how many 1s would have been written? 4000. How many 2s? 4000. How many 3s? All non-zeros. How many 9s? 4000. So, non-zero digits, how many digits would have been written? 4000 into 9. So, I mean, I am generally asking how many non-zero digits would have been written. Each non-zero digit, so 9 times 4000, which is 36,000. If you know how many digits you have written, there are 9 single digits, 92 digit numbers, 903 digit numbers, 9004 digit numbers. So you know how many digits you have written. Then subtract that lot, the balance will be what? Digit zeros. Are you able to understand? Clear?